Hello everybody. I have been working on the BrewBot here. Let me just open it up right here. I've been working on my BrewBot here for the Grow Castle game on Android. So first thing I'll say is DLLs are gone. There's no more DLL bots. It's LUA scripts now here. And this is local. Local being local scripts. Eventually I'll have it to where you can download scripts off of like websites or something. I'll just put them in this folder, and then you can develop your own scripts in the local. So this is just a test folder. I mean, you can create whatever folders you want here, and they'll show up in the bot. The bot starts on the main LUA file. So if you were to create a test bot, name it test, you can create a new file, main LUA, and just start making your own bot. So this here is the main LUA script for the bot. I'll put all this up on GitHub because I switched it over to LUA just because for two reasons. First, I thought DLLs were sort of could present security breaches, I guess you'd say. And then the second reason being that with LUA bots, I figured, anyone can make their own bots or contribute to a bot. So I'll put this whole bot up on GitHub. Anyone can contribute to it if they want. So it's got three main functions. Start is the function it'll call to start, before anything. Or no, it's only got two main functions. Start is what it calls before anything, and then loop is the function that it'll loop. So anything you want to be done repetitively, put it in loop. Anything initial to get the bot started, put it in start. And then also I've got these get version and get name functions, but I'm not using them yet. But self-explanatory what that does. So I'm going to be making a wiki page on my website of all the bot functions and what you pass to them, what gets returned if anything, and what they do. So like this one here, obviously it creates a new thread, ability thread. That's the name of the LUA file that you want to be as the new thread. It's already open right here. Thread start with the function main. This here is whether or not the bot will be, or the thread will be looping or not. So if it's true, it loops. If it's false, it doesn't. So it just loops that. Okay. See, it's got the test folder in there, but there's nothing there. So I need to also make a function where it'll pull up the description, but still work to be done on it. But I think there's enough groundwork here to where I don't have too much time to really work on actually making this. You can see here I've tried. Okay, yeah, here. I've tried piecing together like a diamond solving script here, which I do think it's possible. Because I had it working at one point, but I can't get it to work again. So now I'm giving up on that. I'm just going to add OpenCV into this at some point. So there you go. It's spamming the abilities. It uses ADB for everything except for image capture, but it controls the bot through ADB. And some might have realized that I had ADB files in here, which I'll upload. Like I said, I'll upload all this. But I now use the BlueStacks ADB, so you don't need your own copy of ADB in here or anything. But we'll replay waves, run new waves, and see if we can get it to do a dragon. Yep, it'll do dragons. I need to add the other dragons in also. Like I said, lots of work to still be done on it. But this is some good, I would say, good foundation to start on. And if anybody wants to make their own Android bots, it's definitely possible. So, I mean, just for instance, you would go over here, new main.lua, edit with Notepad++. Then let me see what we got at the top. So, let's start this here. Yeah, and I provided a get time function to be able to seed your thing. I don't know. I'm not familiar too much with LUA, so I don't know if there's already some kind of way to give a random seed or something, or if there's like a time function in it or not. I don't know if we even, I'll just leave that as is though. So we'll get rid of all this. And so you would just change this here to whatever game you want, or whatever app. And then you would do your function loop. And just your code here. It's as simple as that for creating an easy bot. Don't ever change this. This is going to be removed out eventually. I tried using Nox app player or whatever it's called. I didn't like it, and I saw that it was made by the Chinese. I don't know if BlueStacks is or not. It probably is, but it probably is, but I'm just gonna stick with BlueStacks because it's what I know. But I'll get those files uploaded, and I guess happy botting.